Number 1. 1988 Ford F150 XL, $3,000, Sonora, California. This 1988 Ford F150 XL is a straightforward, honest work truck with 230,000 miles and a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine paired to an automatic transmission. It is rear-wheel drive with an 8-foot-long bed and regular cab. Seller notes fresh oil change, good tires, working heater and air conditioning, and a recent smog check with a clean Carfax and clean title in hand. For $3,000, you are buying utility and serviceability rather than concours condition. If you want a daily driver or a reliable project to modify, the 5.0 motor is common, inexpensive to maintain, and parts are plentiful. Number 2. 1984 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $2,000. Fair Oaks, California. A one-owner C10 Scottsdale with 120,000 miles and a 305 cubic inch 8-cylinder with automatic transmission. The truck has been sitting for about 3 years, but reportedly starts and runs. Little surface rust only and otherwise no rot. Practical restoration work, plugs, wires, basic tune, will bring it back to daily use. For $2,000, this is a low-risk barn find with a solid body and wide aftermarket support for mechanical refresh and cosmetics. Number 3. 1989 Ford F150, $4,500. Freeland, Washington. This dependable one-owner workhorse shows 75,178 miles and a 6-cylinder engine with manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. The seller emphasizes recent ownership transfer after the original owner passed and that the truck runs fine with good tires. It is a sensible choice for someone who needs a rugged, mechanically simple 4-wheel drive truck. The inline 6 is known for longevity and easy service. Number 4. 1976 Dodge W100, $3,200. Delta County, Colorado. A rare short wheelbase 4x4 Dodge W100 with an 8-cylinder motor, automatic transmission, factory vinyl top, and interesting factory details like a clock. The second and third gears are not engaging properly, but the engine runs well and 4-wheel drive appears functional. This is a classic Dodge that rewards patient restoration. Original sheet metal and vintage Mopar features make it attractive to collectors who appreciate authenticity and period character. Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe, $4,500. Phillips, Wisconsin. A tidy Custom Deluxe with a 4.3-liter 6-cylinder and a 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, and only 95,000 original miles. The seller parked it after a professional carburetor rebuild and intends only simple recommissioning. Overall, the truck is described as very solid. This is a great candidate for a reliable driver that needs modest attention to vacuum lines and tune-up work. Number 6. 1979 Ford F250 Custom, $4,000. Leon Valley, Texas. A fairly original Ford F250 with 67,257 miles and a recently fitted 460 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with less than 1,000 miles on it. Currently not running due to likely fuel delivery issues, it will need fuel line cleaning or carburetor attention. With the low original miles on the chassis and a stout new big block, this truck is an excellent project for someone comfortable finishing fuel system work and recommissioning. Number 7. 1965 Ford F100, $7,500, Napa County, California. This classic F100 features a 352 cubic inch FE Series 8-cylinder and a 3-speed manual column shift. It includes a Holley 500 carburetor, Pertronix electronic ignition, aluminum radiator, rebuilt steering and suspension components, and Mustang seats. Lowered stance and fresh tune-up make it a street-worthy vintage pickup that draws attention. At $7,500, it represents a well-sorted driver with tasteful performance upgrades. Number 8. 1965 Datsun L320 pickup, $9,000, Santa Rosa, California. A small, reliable classic Datsun with approximately 65,000 miles, 4-cylinder engine, and manual transmission. Paint shows age, but the truck runs very well and has a clean California title. These light Japanese pickups are prized for ease of maintenance, economical operation, and cult appeal. At $9,000, this one is a solid choice for someone seeking an affordable, daily drivable classic with strong resale demand. Number 9. 1975 Ford F100 Dentside Custom, $7,900, Coolidge, Arizona. A well-preserved 6th-generation Ford F100 with 79,000 miles and a 360 cubic inch 8-cylinder paired to an automatic transmission. Seller reports no leaks or mechanical issues, functional lights, heater and original radio. The 8-foot bed, original equipment, and documented mechanical soundness make this an appealing vintage pickup for someone who wants an unrestored but excellent condition truck that is ready to drive. Number 10. 1972 Ford Courier mini truck, $700, Burien, Washington. An early Ford Courier 4-speed manual with a newer engine installed, but not running because the distributor was removed. The distributor is included, clean title, and only 12,907 miles shown, though the odometer has rolled over. The price reflects the work required. These compact, first-generation Couriers are lightweight, fun restorations with strong parts interchange with some Mazda and small truck platforms. Number 11. 1978 Chevrolet C20, Scottsdale square body, $7,900, Santan Valley, Arizona. A classic square body C20 with an 8-foot-long bed, 350 engine, and automatic transmission. Seller reports it runs and drives great, has power steering, and a clean title. Square-body Chevrolets are beloved for their simple, durable mechanicals and styling that still looks purposeful. At $7,900, this truck is a practical, usable vintage hauler or candidate for a mild resto. Number 12. 1979 Chevrolet K10, $9,000, Morenci, Arizona. This K10 has a 305 engine, turbo-hydromatic 350 transmission, a 205 transfer case, Dana 44 front axle, and 12-bolt rear differential. Seller notes the odometer is broken, but the truck runs and drives. A solid 4x4 platform with rugged drivetrain components. This is a strong candidate for off-road use or a full restoration, thanks to its durable factory hardware.